Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how does China make everything. Start by tracing the process from raw materials to finished goods and the players involved. I will guide you through manufacturing clusters, supplier networks, and logistics hubs, showing how coordination, investment, and workforce scale create global output. Listen for examples of supplier ecosystems, labor specialization, and government incentives that push efficiency and lower unit costs across many industries. China uses focused industrial strategies that unlock rapid production and iterative improvements. I will explain cluster specialization, local supplier proximity, and how shared tooling and engineering talent speed iteration. You will hear how policy choices and infrastructure make it practical to prototype, scale, and move millions of units efficiently. These combined forces explain how products reach global markets fast and at competitive prices while maintaining adaptability. If you're enjoying this explainer, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading factory reports, supply chain guides, or manuals anywhere you go, and it pairs well with learning about global production. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Logistics tie production to global demand through coordinated transport, warehousing, and customs processing. I will describe how port capacity, rail links, and efficient trucking move goods from factory floor to container ships. You will learn about digital freight platforms, inventory pooling, and just-in-time delivery that reduce delays and costs. Understanding these logistics explains how items made in many locations still arrive reliably around the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.